Nosotros tenemos ayer. Mi fuente. Good morning, Miss.
Hello, guys. Who can tell me?
Mi fuente. Mi fuente. Good morning, mi fuentes.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, Denise. Hello. Hi, Jesus. Hello, everyone. Hi, Christopher. I'm glad to see you online.
Hi, Miss. Rápido.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello. I look so cute, honey, with those. I'm happy. Yes, Christina. Very good. Christina is work. And Christina has the book already. Do you guys have it? Show me your book. I want to see if you have it. If you don't have it, then run to get it. No problem. Go quickly, eh? Oh, very good. Joy, very ready too. Excellent, Dohan. Denise, don't worry. Go get your book. Excellent. Sujud, you look amazing. You look so beautiful, my love. But you have to go get the shirt. Sujud, no. Ay, Dana, hello. Dana, you're a little bit pelucada, eh? Fix your hair, mi amor. But you look cute anyways. Yes, my love. Today we work. No, sweetie, science. Science, the yellow one with the butterfly and the scientist, okay? Yes, that one. Yes. Yes, excellent. So I'm going to show you a video, but you have to tell me if you can listen to the sound, okay?
Who's that?
I got a video now, but let me see. Tell me if you can see the screen. There is sound.
Yes, I cannot hear. I cannot hear.
Habitats for kids.
No sound.
I can hear.
Okay, nice, cool. Now everybody please mute your microphones. It's time to be quiet and listen, yes? Denise, Cristina, Jesus, let's mute the microphone and let's pay full attention to this video, yes? It's a really cool video.
Habitats for kids. Did you know that you have something in common with all the other life forms on Earth? Seriously, even down to the tiny microorganisms our eyes cannot see. Ready to find out
Estamos haciendo clase. ¿Qué?
how to live in habitats?
Nada más viento
Today, we're going to take a journey through some of the habitats and learn more about them. But first, what is a habitat?
Hi, Miss.
Habitats are places and environments where a living organism makes its home, and they provide everything a living thing needs for survival. No matter where you live, it is your habitat. A habitat can be large or small, an entire continent, or the space underneath a single rock. These habitats usually have lots of different kinds of organisms living together and includes non-living things that also exist in the habitat. For example, your bed is not...
Okay, let's stop this and let's ask questions. Did you listen what was a habitat? A habitat is who can tell me?
Hello.
Hello,
Teacher.
Greg.
Hello.
A habitat is a... Nobody listen. Let's go.
Habitat is definitely cuadros. Hello, teacher.
Hi, guys. Hello.
Miss.
Mira. It's a... Yes?
I can go to the bathroom.
Oh, sure. Let me play again, okay? Everybody listening one more time, but let's pay attention. I'm going to ask everyone to please mute your microphones, yes? Joyver, keep it quiet, yes? Cristina, your microphone is on. Please, keep it quiet.
Please.
No time to speak. Now, let's listen. Yes? And then in a minute we go.
Habitats for kids. Did you know that you have something in common with all the other life forms on Earth? Seriously, even down to the tiny microorganisms our eyes cannot see. Ready to find out what it is? We'll live in habitats. Today, we are going to take a journey through some of these habitats and learn more about them. But first, what is a habitat? Habitats are places and environments where a living organism makes its home, and they provide everything a living thing needs for survival.
Okay, so then I'm going to begin with Dana. Dana, please put that away, sweetie. What is a habitat then? A habitat is a place where the animals live and they can have everything they need for survival, okay? What do we need to survive? We need water, food, and
house.
shelter. Yeah, let's continue.
No matter where you live, it is your habitat. A habitat can be large or small. An entire continent.
So the habitat can be small or it can be big, eh?
Yes.
Or the space underneath a single rock. These environments usually have lots of different kinds of organisms living together and includes non-living things that also exist in the habitat. For example, your bed is not a living thing, but it is definitely a part of your habitat. And some living things can live in more than one habitat. There are many different kinds of habitats that can be found on Earth. Let's talk about a few. First up are grasslands. A grassland is full of tall growing grass and does not have a lot of trees. You will find grasslands on 6 of the 7 continents, minus Antarctica. Here's an interesting fact. There are different types of grasslands. Prairies and savannas are 2 of these different kinds. Animals like aardvarks, antelope, brown bears, squirrels, lions, and hippos can all live in this kind of habitat. Now, let's travel to the desert. A desert is extremely dry, can be hot or cold, and gets less than 6 inches of rain per year.
Okay, so Gretel. Gretel, do you know any other habitat? But only Gretel. Please. Another type of habitat, Gretel, that you know? Gretel, we have to pay attention in class, my love. I don't want to be calling your attention. But Gretel, please put away that teddy bear. It's beautiful and everything, but right now the one that should be learning, it's you, eh? So put all the teddies away. Do like Dohani. Dohani has a whole bunch of teddies behind her, but she's not using them, eh? She's paying full attention in class. Okay, so we're going to listen. We're going to open, We're going to open the book. And we are going to continue on the
No, the notebook.
No, sweetie, the book, my love, the book. But
The science book.
so,
Miss, what page?
hold on. Here we go. What is a habitat? Who has the
Miss, what page? What page? Page.
Okay.
Voy con what page? What page?
I am so sorry. Guys, can you please?
this page?
No, así no se puede. Voy a tener que dar instrucciones en español. Mía, ¿quién más tiene el audio abierto? Dana. Please, the audios, así no se puede dar clase. Thank you very much. Please, everybody, mute your microphones so we can speak. This is page 18.
What page?
Victoria, page 18. let me finish. Emma, do you have a question?
I know other habitat.
Oh, very good, Emma. Tell me.
The rainforest.
Very good. Excellent job. Sujud, do you have a question?
I know all the habitat.
Habitats are cool, huh? Because habitats are the places where the animals live, eh? So before we were in environments, and we finished environments, right? Remember, we highlighted birds, and we did the next page, and now we move on to page 20, eh? Everybody, page 20. Can you see it? Jesus? What is a habitat? And remember, in the science class, we always have to have, very good, Mirlen, we must have a highlighter. Please get your highlighters. Very good, my love, excellent. And we are going to begin working in the book. I am going to use...
Miss.
Yes?
Can I go with my highlighter?
Yes, we're going to highlight the word. Well, I can...
Highlighter.
If you don't have a highlighter, you use a pencil, guys. Let's begin.
Is that highlighter?
Yes, that's my highlighter, yes. But you must have a...
This is the highlighter. Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Excuse me. Sujud, you're in class. You cannot go to the bathroom now when we finish.
This is a highlighter.
Who's asking me? Let me see. Isabella, you must know that that is a highlighter or a marker. Or if you don't have a marker, what else can you use? A color pencil. But everybody, let's highlight the word environment, okay?
Environment.
Environment, yes.
We highlight the circle.
Yes, my love. Very good English. Yes.
Environment.
Okay, it says, what is a habitat? I mean, in an environment, there are many different habitats, okay? So everybody must know that the habitat is big. I mean, the environment is big. And I have the audio on. Sweetie, Jocelyn, keep your audio off, please, because it's making noises and it doesn't let us speak. The same as Jesus and the same as Gillian. Gillian, can you please keep the audio?
El micrófono.
Yes. Yes. We're running out of time already. And Jesus, audio off. Audio off, yes? Mute. You gotta mute your microphone. Hasta escucho al gallo allá en la casa. ¿Cómo puede ser posible? I can listen to the rooster. Cucurucú. ¿Quién tiene este gallo ahí cerquita? Denise. I think it's Denise that has a farm. Denise. Denise. A ver, estoy escuchando todas las gallinas de la casa. Vamos a, por favor, mantener el audio off. Yes? Now, yes, we can continue. Okay, dice, what is a habitat? In an environment, there are many different habitats. So the environment is big. Everybody go like this. Big. The environment is big. And the habitat is small, okay? So, a habitat, let me write. A habitat is the place, everybody, that provides everything a living thing needs to grow. Highlight, please, to grow and reproduce. And as I asked you, you know that living things need, we said it, watered, we need sheltered, we need food.
Miss, highlight this.
Yes, my love. Yes, highlight. So if I ask you, what is a habitat? You can say that a habitat is, who can answer?
Me, I have a question.
Like a habitat is like a house, like a house for but for animals.
It's a bit bigger than a house because it's a place. It's a place where they can find food and shelter. And who lives in a habitat? All kinds of living things, okay? And also
Like frogs, worms, lions. That is in the
Teacher,
Yes,
a lion eat animal because no have food. Miss.
exactly. Very good point. Very good point from Alvin.
This is good.
Yes, my love. Yes. Yes, Isabella. Excellent job. Now listen, Isabella. Alvin just said that some lions, they have to eat other animals because they have to eat. And yes, that's the way it is. Very good comment, Alvin, okay? I'm going to go back. Did you finish? I'm going
This is the O.
Sorry?
This.
Okay, I am going to delete now everything. I hope everybody finished. And if you didn't, don't worry. We will work together then after the class. Now let's continue with the part down. One more time, Jocelyn, your audio. Okay, now we have all animals need food, water, and shelter. This is so super important, okay? Let me highlight. Well, I don't have a highlighter. Yeah, I do have a highlighter. Food, water, and shelter, okay? And everybody must be clear that the shelter is the house. Excellent. Very good. Ay, ay, ay. I'm going to have to mute everybody, but I don't
Finish, I like Miss. Like this.
Look, there is a shark.
Voy a tener que ponerle mute. Y no me gusta ponerle mute because everybody should be able to speak. Gretel. I don't want to mute everybody, but please, one more time, Jocelyn. Let's continue with the next one, eh? It says, an animal's habitat gives all of these three things. Now, my question is for Joelis. What happens, Joelis, if one animal cannot meet these three things? ¿Qué le pasa al animalito? If it doesn't have food, water, or shelter?
Dead.
Excellent. Very good. Animal will die, right? Very good, Joelis. Excellent answer. Now, let's continue. And we continue. It's difficult for an animal to survive, survive outside its natural habitat, okay? Sometimes we can have animals, sometimes we can have animals in the house, for example, like pets. We can have birds and we can have other types of animals, but it's difficult for them. They need to be in their own environment, okay? Finish?
Yes,
Miss, I finished.
Okay, nice. Let's continue.
Yes, Miss.
Plants have habitats too. Very important that plants have habitats too. A habitat gives everything that it needs, like minerals, water, and light, okay? Because remember that plants, they need other things. They don't need the same things as we do. Isabella, can you please mute your microphone? Keep it mute. Thank you. No problem, no problem. Maybe you're stretching.
Miss, the habitat of the plants is the ground.
Very good. And in the ground, excellent, Emma, they find, what do they find? They find three things.
Minerals, water, and food.
And, three things. Light, water, and minerals. And if they don't have that, Mia, sit down properly, please. Mia, sit down properly, please. If they don't find that,
Can they go dead?
they cannot survive. Let's say it in another way. Yes?
Miss, I love you. I love you.
I love you too, mi amor. I love you too. And I'm so happy to see you. Ay, Jesus. Okay. Give me one reaction with a thumb up if you finish. You know how? You know how to do reactions in Zoom?
Yes, I have it.
Okay,
Yeah,
good,
yeah.
good. Excellent, Grace. Very
Miss,
good.
what is the reaction?
Reaction is in Zoom. You have down, abajo tienen una cosa que dice, let me see. Well, I don't have reactions. But in the bottom, you have like emojis that you can show. There you go. Oh, very good, Isabella. So you guys finish. Let's continue. I am going to delete all. Let me, clear all drawings. Okay, and I'm gonna go down to the last part. You have an animal there. You have a few animals. What animals do you have? There's my favorite. That shark, eh? Okay, so
There is a stick insect and a shark. Miss,
okay, great, Isabella. Great, Sophia. Yes? Yes, Joelis?
es un palo.
Yeah.
It's a stick insect. It's a stick insect.
It's an palo.
Who remembers somebody was with me at the club? Alguien estaba conmigo en el club, at the club when we were changing the clothes on PE and we saw one. Vimos uno en el club. Isabella, please keep your microphone off. Let's continue. So we have habitats can be different sizes. So some of them can be very big and some of them can be small. Like for example, the ant. Most of ants can have little habitats, but they can also have huge ones. Okay?
Miss,
Yes.
So
Wait, Isabella, let me finish, yes, and then we speak. Some are very large, some are very large, and some are very